After rebuilding our first school in Gorkha, we were in search of similar earthquake-affected schools to build temporary classrooms. Our search took us to Vimoday Secondary School in Dhading. Upon observation, we saw that the school building was destroyed completely by the earthquake. The only standing building also had red "Unsafe" sticker after inspection. Children were not able to study, so our team decided to help the school by building temporary classrooms. We took necessary permissions from District Education Office and the construction started rapidly. First day, we drove from Dharing busy with zinc seat and construction materials. On reaching village, we arranged some labours for our help and started putting foundation pillars for the temporary building. By the end of the day, we completed erection of pillars. Second day, work started in full swing early in the morning. 8 labourers helped us work all day. We completed roofing with zinc seat by the evening. 3rd day, we completed partitioning and separation of room. We used plywood sheets and bamboo for partitioning and walls. Wooden doors from old collapsed building was used for doors and the building was ready to run classes. Our team appreciates the help and support Chukumsk India Nepal has provided for us from the beginning of our missions. They are with us from the very beginning. Students from higher grades in the school wanted to thank us. We gathered everyone and they expressed their happiness with greetings and pictures. Seeing small children happy, we got satisfied with our work ourselves. Small mission concluded with yet another help in earthquake-hit district. Our Rebuild Nepal mission continues.